Hello there, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture you are going to create a FTP server and you are going to test the connection to that FTP server through FTP client. For this project you need a FTP server and this lecture takes you through the steps of creating FTP server. If you already have a FTP server which you can use for this project, you can directly go to the next lecture. You don't need to go through this lecture. For this project on ODI variable, you will need a FTP server. In case you do not have FTP server, you can make your local host, your computer, as FTP server. To do that, you need to install FileZilla server. Open a browser and Google for FileZilla server download. You will get download FileZilla server for Windows. Click on that. I'm considering you are working on Windows operating system. If not, you look for the operating system you are working on and click on download FileZilla server. Over here, wait for the download to finish. That was pretty fast. Very good. Few seconds. Yep, right here. Click on that. Say yes. And it will start. I agree. Next. Program files, FileZilla server. Yes. 14147. That's an admin port for FileZilla server. Thanks. Okay, install. Awesome, it's going pretty cool. Close. Very good. So I think we have the FileZilla server running and localhost port 14147. This is admin port. Connect. You are good to go. Very good. After you have your FileZilla server up and running, it's time to create FTP user. This is the user you're going to use in ODI to connect to this FTP server. Click on edit and users. Over here, click on add. I'm going to call my user as Sandrusha. That's name of my company. Okay. And click on shared folders. Add. This is the folder you're going to share on FTP server. All the file communication will happen through this folder. I already have a folder created, ODI shared folder, and that's what I'm going to expose on FTP server. ODI shared folder, very good. And Sandrusha will have complete privilege on this shared folder. So read, write, delete, append. Next one, I think we are pretty much done. We just have to give a password. Okay, good, very good. So FileZilla server is up and running and you have created an account now. Now it's time to move on to the next step, that is installing FileZilla client. This is admin FileZilla server. You need a client to make sure your laptop is now a FTP server. So to do that, you need to again go to the browser and this time you are going to Google for FileZilla client download and let's install FileZilla client. I have 64 bits, so I'll go for this one and download FileZilla client for okay. Pre-select your edition for Pro. No, I want the regular client. Okay, go on. Right here is good. Now run that. Once again say yes and agree, of course. Loading data, this will only take a brief moment. Yes, anyone who uses this computer can use it. Yes, and then next, program FileZilla client. Yes, that's fine. And next, it's installing additional software. No, I don't want that. Good job. So I got the client now. Now that you have installed FileZilla client, open that, and from there you are going to connect to the FTP server which you installed. Your FTP server, you have installed it on localhost, so put it on localhost here, and then your username, in my case it is Sanrusa, password, and port number is going to be 21, and enter. Very good, directory listing successful. Let us create a directory here. Create a directory and call it source. This is the directory we will expose in ODI. Very good, the FTP side is done. You got FTP server up and running and FTP client through which you can connect to that FTP server. You had to do it because ODI will take the file from FTP server and put it into ODI box. That is the project you are going to do. If you already had a FTP server, you need not do all these things. You could directly go to the next lecture. Now that your FTP server is set up and it is running fine, let's move on to the next lecture.